Okay, so I thought I'd take you through my steering wheel quick release. There's my steering wheel for the cycle cart. The wood looks a little dull because I haven't stained it or varnished it or anything yet. And here's how I've made my steering wheel quick release. I've got two pretty standard 1-inch collars. I think they're $10 a piece, if I remember correctly, maybe a little more. And I've got my 1-inch aluminum drive shaft. So what I've done here is I've got a little button in here. Unfortunately, at this point, I have to have a tool to actually take this thing off. But hopefully I'm going to work out something where I have something attached to the steering wheel so that I can push this button in when I want to take it off. So I go like this. I'm holding the phone in one hand, so it's a little bit more difficult. But you push it down and then you take it off. And then on the back of the collar I have this screw. It's a 832 screw, and it goes into that little hole down here. That one right there. You can see that, I hope. And when this goes in, it goes in like, you have to line it up. You see that screw is lined up with that hole, and you push that button in, and in it goes. And it works, as you can see. Obviously the wheels aren't on there yet, but they will be. And there you have it. That's my idea for a cycle cart quick release. Not quite finished, but close.